Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a letter logo design. This is a Q letter. So this is a fantastic design and very simple design. So if you're not clear about it, just watch my video and tutorial. You can learn something from here. So no matter talk, I will talk now. So let's begin today. So first of all, I needed to select all the things and let it be smaller and keep this corner side. So let it be this side. Yes, I'm keeping here. So first of all, what we needed, we needed just to go to the dashboard. There's so many tools, but I needed to go to the over here. You see, so many tools. So but of these tools, all I need is this ellipse tool. Yes, I click over here and then I'll hover here, just like that, by pressing Alt and the Shift key together. You see, that's fine. So what can I do? I just now copy all the things, go to the edit and copy. Again, go to the edit, paste in front. So just now I need it by pressing Shift key and Alt key together. Just like that. See? Fantastic. And now select all the things and go to the Cubular tool and just by pressing Alt key and I click over here. You see how magic? It's fantastic. So what we need to do? We need to today here just to again go over here this ellipse tool and keep to the center and adjust to like that. Middle side I think little bit bigger, little bit. I think that's fine. So fantastic. So again I needed to here and you go to the shape builder tool and by pressing Alt key click over here. Done. So I needed to change the color. I think will be more better. So change the color, back color. Then it will be good. So I think it's good, but I need to go over here just to object and expand all the things that's happened. I again go over here, rectangle tool, and like that. I think that's fine. That's fine. And I need a little bit bigger there. And this angle shape like that. Think it's much bigger. Little bit small. I think little bit. Yeah, I think like that. It's two angle. I think little bit like that. Yes. Okay, I think that's fine. But I need can go over here to the object, expand all the things, and go over here, cut all the things, and put it over here. You see exactly what I wanted. So again, I need to go over here, and I need this to that, and I think that's fine. Go over here. That thing I need. First of all, I needed to over here. Little bit smaller, I think. Little bit there. Okay, fine. But one thing is that little bit. Okay, so I need now just to copy this one, because you see how I do this one. You need to see how it's happening. Not over here too much there. Okay, that's fine. I need cut. I need cut. You go first of all, go to the expand, ability tool, and go over here. You see how fantastic. Yes, that's fine. So I need to again go to the here line segment tool banner. I did take that, click over here, and just select and go to the expand. Okay, it's fine. I think it's good. So I need now click all the things. Go over here, cut there, there, there. I think there is fine. So I need to change the color again over here. Now this fine. Now I just change the color there. You see how should I change the color? Yes, and go over here and go to the eyedropper tool. There you see how does our magic. See, I need to go to the here. That see the happening. That's fine. See how it's fantastic. The design, how to fantastic design. See, I just needed to over here, go over here and see this. See how fantastic. It's fine. No difference between this one and that one. So you see, I need to delete one, keep this latest one. You see how fantastic. These are all here, guys. This is a fantastic and a very cute and modernful Q Logo design. So if you have a confused about it, just question me and comment in the below. I will answer all the things. So thanks for watching.